Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to personalize your kid's backpack this year. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos coming up on back to school stuff, maybe some back to school shirt ideas, as well as teacher gifts and stuff like that. So the first one we're going to do is this backpack. I found this at Walmart for $17. And it's a really nice one. So this is the one that she chose. So hopefully you guys can see this. It has this bottom here, has a little tag right here so you can hang something off of that. And then you can see how thick it is. It's a really, really cute backpack, but they had a ton to choose from. But you can do this with any backpack. Now, I read the tag on the inside, and this is man-made material, but I felt it because you want to go on your Cricut Easy Press, you want to go with whatever settings is based on the materials, whether it's, you know, like a silk, a canvas, cotton. But on the inside, the tag for this said it is man-made material. But I feel it almost feels just like cotton fabric. So that's what I'm going to do, is just leave it on the cotton settings. So inside this backpack, let me show you that really quick. It still has all of its stuffing that it comes with. And I'm going to leave that in there. That's how I'm going to go ahead and do mine. But if yours doesn't come with that, you could always stuff some towels in here to just kind of get it built up, because it's got all these pieces here. And if not, once we're done, I'm going to kind of show you maybe unzipping it and try to find a little bit of an easier way too. So this is how I'm going to do mine. So I'm going to go ahead and get this as even as possible. Now this monogram here, I just went to deafont.com and searched monogram font, and I'll have a video link down below where I showed you how to do that. And then all you really need to do is you're going to have a big uppercase letter, and then these are smaller uppercase letters. Okay, sorry about the sound in the background. My husband's got the lawnmower started in the garage. He's trying to back out. I tried to wait a little bit, but he's taking too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and go forward. So I've already have this lined up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it this way, just because this is where my iron's this way, and it gives me a little more room to get my iron on here. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I've just kept that in there. I've got it just like this. I've got it on 305 for 30 seconds because, like I said, I put it on the cotton settings. So I'm just going to go right over the top of this just like this. Push straight down, hit go. Okay, so I'm going to pull that off. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this peeled. Okay, it looks like I got a few pieces over here on the side. Let's see how this side did. All right, so we need to get some more on there. So let me go ahead and go over this one more time. I'm gonna stop it right there. Let's see what that did. All right, that's still wanting to. All right, so let me go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead, so that was not working out, which that's why you guys are here. That's what I'm here for. So we didn't like the way that came out. I don't know if it's because it actually needs to be hotter. Maybe this is more like a canvas, but it really feels like cotton to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. All right, so what my next plan was is I'm gonna kind of flip it like this a little bit. I'm going to flip down the back side, so bear with me so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to flip down the back side, so now there's nothing. So normally you would have the back side. That way this is more open. All right, and actually I think I decided to do it like this. So you're going to have a little bit of that zipper under there, but I think it's going to be better than what it was. So this was my next plan. So I'm going to roll that underneath there just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and get the iron back down here. Now, I'm not going to go the whole full 30 seconds. I'll probably just go about 10, 15. So I'm going to go ahead and push down on that. Pushing right down, trying to get right on top of that heat transfer. Okay. Now, each backpack is going to be different because of, like, this pieces right here. So, like, a lot of them will be a lot easier to really get in there. I'm going to try to peel this off and then go over it one more time with it off and see what that does. All right, because it seems like there's just this one little tail. Hopefully you guys can see that. Everything looks good except for this one little bitty tail. So I'm going to try to get that now. So I'm going to go ahead and, so as you can see, so this is like this. I'm just popping this underneath like this. And then I'm just kind of nicely folding this, because if you have it up, then you may possibly burn these plastic pieces of the zipper. So I just kind of down like that, just kind of making sure they're out of my way. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this down one more time, just right in that spot. All right, just like that. There's still just that one little piece of this curl, which I just kind of just peeled off. But so far, that's what it looks like. So everything else, it seems like everything else worked out really good. It was just that one little piece of that curl, which honestly could have been, I've had this cut for a little while now. And it could be because, I mean, I've dropped it on the floor a few times, so it did have some dirt underneath. And that very well could be what was kind of hindering that little piece from going. I'm not too sure, because there's no real reason why that one little piece shouldn't have been sticking. So, but other than that, everything else looks really good. So now she has her backpack personalized for school. So what I would do is, like I said, so either if you're going to have that stuffed, I kind of wonder if I shouldn't have had it on the canvas settings. It would have been less time, but more heat. But we'll try this again. I definitely just wanted to kind of share this with you and on my thoughts of how I was going to do it with the stuffing inside. I would probably do the towels next time, and then showing you how you can kind of get that nicely laid down, nice and smooth. And at this point, if you wanted to, you could get like a little hand towel and fold it underneath there to kind of bring that up just a little bit, just because this is such a big piece under here. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.